talasa at halaga, namit gid talaga. Kanamit. Kanamit Food Services. You know the City of Smiles, Bacolod. Well, there's a family called the Go family, and their siblings came to Manila way back in 1991. Well, guess what? When the coronavirus hit, they were missing back home. And they said, oh, we miss all the food back home. And then they couldn't get that exact taste from any of the restaurants here in Manila. So, what is the practical solution? Since they are business people and they know how to run a business, they set up their own. What is it called? Kanamit. Yes. Let me tell their story because this is a bunch of siblings who know about food and they have the experience in how to run a business correctly. Again, for people who have a passion, a real passion for food and cooking, what do you have? Kanamit. So if you're wondering what that means, in Tagalog, that means masarap. Yan na. Let me tell you their story. It's a food service, a restaurant that opened in Carriedo, Manila in 2021. Let me tell you their story. Let me tell you about the yummy stuff that you're gonna get when you log in and go to their website and see what Kanamit has. Oh my gosh, let me start with the chef's recommendation. They have the batchoy with egg and of course the Bacolod Kansi. Yes, yummy. Better than any sinigang ever. Because they have, it's called langka, jackfruit. They have it there and it's part of the veggies of Kamsi. For those of you who haven't tried Bacolod dishes, this is something you definitely want to get. And by the way, their dinuguan, ay naku, sarap. Walang lansa, walang amoy. Super. Kaya itong mga chef's recommendation na to, panalo. You know, by the way, haha, their inasal, the pecho and the paa, yummy. Hindi siya yung greasy. Yummy siya. Clean to the taste. Talagang super clean. Yeah. Yan bang after you eat, you still dream of it as in, yummy, yummy, yummy. Talaga. Yeah. Then, ito pa. After the chef's recommendations, ang dami pa sila. Yung yung grilled. Pili na kayo. Meron silang yempo, barbecue, pork chop. Naku, talagang napaka-tender. Napaka-tender. Yung talagang hindi nirarush, pinag-abalahan talaga. Make sure, you get all of this grilled stuff. And by the way, you try their isol. Again, that's the chicken tail. There's atay, liver, batikolon, the gizzard, and wow, ang taba ng kanilang grilled tuna. Super! Yan na. Naiinggit na kayo kasi ang sarap niya. Order na kayo. Ito pa, ito pa, ito pa. Yung kanilang a la carte, nako, ayan. You don't know what to order kasi lahat masarap. Alam mo yung sisig nila? Ang sarap niya yung, yung gentle on your tongue. By the way, meron kang choice. Ako kasi ayoko masyadong maanghang. Sinabi ko, no chili, talagang dumating. Perfect ang timpla. On the side yung kanilang mga flakes. And then yung mayo, sabi ko, hold the mayo. Kasi trying to lose weight ako eh. Ayan. Ang mayo ng akin, pero sa inyo, you can have it standard. Madali silang kausap. Totoo yan. Ito pa, ito pa, ito pa. Yung beef pares nila, sus Mariosep, yung isang order nila, hindi ko maubos-ubos. Napaka-generous. Super generous. And again, tender, tender, tender. Yung kanilang beef. And, sige nga, testing ko kayo. Do you know what KBL is? Kadyos, baboy, langka. Ayan. Mahilig ang mga taga-Bacolod talaga yung langka yung gulay nila 'no, healthy pa siya talaga. Ito naman, pork ito. Ka-Diyos, yun yung kanilang you can see that yung parang black beans, yun ang pang-yummy nila that gives it a special Bacolod taste. Ayan ha, try niyo lahat yan. And of course, for long life, yung pansit bihon, gusto ko yan. Try niyo, ang generous, ang daming sahog. And tatatatat, paborito ko, pansit molo. When I think of Bacolod food, pansit molo talaga. Yan. Must yan. Must, must, must. Talagang super. Ang sarap niya, yung melt in your mouth. Sobra. Uy, by the way, I might forget pala ha. Habang nagkukut-kut kayo dyan, waiting for the food to come, yung chicken bits nila, ang sarap. Pwedeng pampulutan. Ako, di ako umiinom. Hehehe. Ginawa ko siyang appetizer ko. Talaga naman. Kaya naman, walang jeta-jeta pag sa kanamit. Sarap lahat yan. O, di ba? It is a must try. Yan yan. And by the way, yung kanilang mga gourmet, ha? They have gourmet stuff. Yung mga in a bottle, available pala sa kanila. Ha? Meron silang chili garlic. Ako, meron silang sinamak, spicy bagoong, atsara. Yung ginamos, hay, spicy tuyo, palaging sold out. Pero ako, feelingera ako, gusto ko healthy. Ang in-order ko, tara! Atsara! Ang sarap. Tandaan nyo, atsara, probiotics yan ha. Very healthy yan. Super. Good to have atsara on the side with all your dishes. O yan. Pang gusto nyo? Ano pang gusto nyo? Ah, yes, by the way. Pag may puto kayo, kasama ng dinuguan, solve. Happy days. Pero sa totoo lang, by the way, yung dinuguan, kinain ko sa rice. Hala, go! And, eh, ete, eto na ang the best. Yung ending, yung tatlo nilang dessert, talaga, palaging sold out yan kung babagal-bagal ka, kaya bilisan mo. Yung halo-halo, mais con yelo, yung saba con yelo, oh my gosh, alam mo naka-blend na yung ice tsaka milk, hindi ka na yung, ang hirap-hirap haluin. Yung milk nila, creamy siya, generous siya, tapos yung ice naka-blend in na. So, nandun na, ready to eat. Hindi parang damit, ready to wear, ano? Ready to eat siya. Ngayon, dahil hindi ko ma-decide ano gusto ko, to I want halo-halo, to I want mais con yelo, to I want saba con yelo, di kinain ko lahat. Dumating dito, share-share kaming lahat. Totoo yan. It is really a best ending for a yummy meal that you have. And syempre, most of all, you want for your mga occasion, kung ano-anong mga celebration ninyo, madami silang mga party platters. Ha? Go to their website sa kanamit.com.ph. Repeat, kanamit.com.ph. Tingnan nyo yung website, nandun yung ang dami-dami nilang mga party platters. Ha? Okay. Tsaka by the way, yung chick bits nila, pwede yan sa bucket. Naku, enjoy kayo. Everybody, dig in and have a wonderful eating from start to finish. So just go to Facebook. Hanapin nyo. Kanamit. Okay? You know the name. What are you looking for? Kanamit. Sarap yan. Kanamit means masarap. Find them on Facebook. Find them on kanamit.com.ph. I had a great time eating the yummy foods that they have, and I know you will. Your choice for all occasions and for your single orders. Remember, every occasion deserves kanamit.